Hello, good evening. My name is Marjan Sabatin, PSM 1C, Davao Region, Region 11 at tatalakayin natin. Nagsimula naman tayo sa Davao. Kung ano ba ang kapital ng Davao Region? Capital ng Davao Region is Davao City. The capital of Region 11, also known as the Davao Region in the Philippines, is Davao City, which served as the regional center, though is administratively independent from the province within the region. This broad region include provinces like Davao del Norte, Davao del Sur, Davao Oriental, Davao Occidental, and Davao de Oro, with Davao City as its hub. Ang Davao City ay meron siyang 5 province. Ang province na ito ay nabanggit na dito na. Una ang Davao del Norte, Davao del Sur, Davao Oriental, Davao Occidental, and Davao de Oro. And as you can see, ito ang kanilang mga logo. And magsimula tayo sa unang province ng talaan natin, ang Davao de Oro. Davao de Oro ay formerly Compostela Valley, is a Philippine province in the Davao region in Mindanao, known as the Golden Davao or Golden Capital, famous for its rich mineral deposit and natural beauty, with its capital in Abuturan and major municipality like Moncayo. It was created in 1998 and officially renamed in 2019. Open attractions like waterfalls and mountain views. Davao de Oro, founded January 30, 1998 o 1978. Capital na Bunturan. Dialect and language is Cebuano or Bisaya, Mansaka, Mandaya, and Calagan, at maamin sila sa Tagalog and English. Davao de Oro industry, mining, pagmimina. Davao de Oro agriculture is banana, cacao, coconut, kasi more on parang bukid sa Davao region and palibot sila ng dagat. And industry is agri-industrial processing, this like this. And ang tourist attraction is Awa Falls, Piat Island, Barilaw Hot Spring. As you can see, di ba, makikita nyo, talagang ano siya, palibot siya ng dagat ng katubigan, katuwagin. And Davao de Oro ulit, tourist attraction is Georgetown, Tabing Bintang Falls, Mount de Walwal. More on sa kanila, madami sa kanilang falls. Tourist spot naman is New Barilla Heights and Site, Lake Leonard, Sea Eagle Beach Resort, Delicacies Sumba, Dorian, Saborchu, Lake Balbaco, Bulalo. Davao del Norte. Davao del Norte is a province. Ito na po pala second province. Davao del Norte. Davao del Norte is a province in Davao region of southern Philippines, located on the island of Mindanao. Its capital is Taguig and is known as the banana capital of the Philippines due to its significant banana production. The province spans 3,422.61 square kilometers and is composed of 3 component cities and 8 municipalities, with notable destinations including Kaputi, Beach, and Hagimilat. And founded siya ng May 8, 1967 o Mayo 8, 1967. Ang capital niya ay Tagum City, and then dialect niya Cebuano, Davao, Filipino, English. As na sinabi ko kanina na talagang maalam ang mga taga Mindanao sa purong Tagalog, hindi lang sila puro Bisaya o ibang lingwahe. Maalam din sila ng Tagalog. Ang mas advantage na maalam sila ng Tagalog at Bisaya tayo hindi. And Davao del Norte industry, agri-industry, manufacturing, construction. And Davao del Norte naman, tourist attraction naman daw. Kaputian Beach, Canibad, Oral Peak. And sa delegasyon naman ay Sotukil, Ibaw, Sinugbang, Bagabay. And Davao del Sur naman ang next nating province na tatalakayin. It's the third province. Davao del Sur is a province in the Philippines located in the Davao region. Region 11 in the southeastern section of Mindanao is capital city of Digo City, where the highly urbanized Davao City is a geographical within the province but administratively independent. And founded siya ng Hulyo 1, 1967. Capital na ito ay Digo City. Ang dialect language niya Cebuano, Tagalog at English. At ito ang industry na agriculture, cacao, food processing, construction, yun. Kasi sa kanila ay kay agriculture kasi ang part kasi sa Davao is para siyang bukid talaga. Hindi katulad sa Manila na pollution. Davao del Sur ay atraksyon, museo, Dabenyo, Philippine Eagle Center, and Mount Apo, ang dalaga sa Sinaglao, Beniguet, Lauoy, and Davao. And nasa Davao Occidental naman tayo. Davao Occidental is the newest province in the Philippines. Sa Mindanao, ito ang new bagong province na buo. Nakirate lang siya 2013 from Davao del Sur, southern part with its capital at Maleta, known for its social beauty, agriculture potential, and unique culture, plus vibrant municipality, and picture natural attraction like beaches and islands traversing the southern most tip of the Davao region. Davao Occidental, founded naman siya ng Oktubre 28, 2000 at 13. Capital is Malita. Dialect and language, Cebuano, Bisaya, Sarangani, Sangres, Balean, Manobo, Filipino, Tagalog, talaga siya in English. And the Occidental industry is agriculture, banana. More banana kasi talaga sa coconut, banana, cacao, coconut tapos fishing kasi nga madami sa kanila, malawak ang dagat talaga, palibot talaga sila. And ito naman mga attraction, sinabi ko talaga palibot sa dagat, pero attraction sa kanila ay puro dagat talaga, or Bukal Falls, ganyan. Dito Paradise, Maleta Dives, Balas Island, ang delegas niya, Adlay, Kasaba Cake. Yan. Madami yung kasi po. Bilang tayo sa orasan po. Davao Oriental naman po tayo. Davao Oriental, which is the province of Davao Oriental, is a province of the Philippines located in Davao region of Mindanao. Its capital is the city of Mate, which is the most populous and is borders the province of Davao, the West, and Agusan del Sur and Surigao del Sur to the north. Yun. Siya naman ay tagban ng Hulyo 1, 1906. Capital niya Mate City. Dialect and language ay Dagoneño, Mandaya, Camoyo, Cebuano, Tagalog, and English. And Davao Oriental Industries, agriculture ulit, coconut, so mga kutsat sila, abaka, banana, sa fishing, yung matod ng kanina. And ito naman kayang tourist attraction is Dahican Beach, Aliwag Falls, Eco Park, Cape San Agustin. And ito ang delicacies niya, Sinarol, and Kinilaw. Kinilaw, masarap yan. And thank you. Bye-bye.